Now we want to discuss elbow pain. So many occupations still require use of the arms, the wrists, the elbows in a repetitive fashion, sometimes from different sports. You can have elbow pain, golf, tennis, where actually you have some blunt forces put through the golf club or the tennis racket that transfers up the arm to the elbow. So what's important to remember here is that the muscles of the forearm attach at the elbow, both on the inside and the outside of the elbow joint. So it's easy for these muscles to get tight and to get minor injuries, but for you to feel the pain at the point where they're anchored, where those muscles are anchored at the elbow. So if you're having elbow pain, you may just want to straighten your arm and just bend your wrist up and bend your wrist back to really isolate which muscles are tight. Then, whether you're getting acupuncture or physiotherapy treatment, you want to get the inflammation out of there, and the inflammation is what's giving you most of the pain. So by using the Genesis light on high for 10 minutes, you can place it over the area where you're feeling the most pain, so both on the outside or the inside of the elbow. Either one will work fine. Let's turn that on there for a second. Okay? So if you're palpating around or feeling around on your own elbow, wherever you feel the pain, you can apply the light for 10 minutes, and that will help relieve the inflammation and speed up the tissue healing. You may also want to check the muscles of your forearm. If any of them are feeling tender, then you can move the light down and treat there. Okay? Especially if you know you're doing a job, say like welding or machinery work, tool making, different things like that. That's the two areas you want to look at. And the last thing you want to consider when you're looking at the elbow is that the nerves all come out of the neck, they bundle up here in the front part of the shoulder, and they split down into the arm. So our concern will be is that we want to treat up in that area where the nerve bundle is. And the nerve bundle is kind of like the fuse box for the upper body is located in here. You're going to want to treat right over that area, just in the anterior part, front part of your shoulder, just above your armpit. That's a great place to treat for 10 minutes to get those nerves as they come down and innervate the rest of the arm. So again, for elbow pain, treat over the area where you have the most tenderness or pain to the touch. Don't forget to take a look at the muscles of the forearm lower than the elbow to make sure that they're not over tight or irritated, because then you can also treat them. But more than likely, the one that people forget to treat is the area where the nerves come out of the neck and bundle up here in the front of the shoulder close to the armpit before they travel down. If you can take the inflammation out of there and the irritation out of there, you'll have pain relief at the elbow.